have yourself a lifted Jeep by yourself or somebody else, you're gonna have to get yourself some adjustable sway bar links. Now, it's gonna look intimidating. Here's all this. You get the sway bar link and the entire bag of stuff. You can go pretty expensive with this, or you can go the cheapest route, and I say cheap lightly because this stuff is not cheap. So, first things first, I do not have the vehicle jacked up. So I don't feel that's necessary. So just taking a 6mm, I'm gonna come up here and it's a 6mm hex. Oh no, that's just rounding, unfortunately. So I'm hoping that I can get this in. Okay, we're gonna hit it with some heat because we do not want that to strip. And it stripped. Dang, this sucks. The other side went by so easy. Came off so easy. That's not gripping at all. Nope. Done for. Plan B. 19mm. Now if the other side spins, it's got a hook, so we're just gonna take some pliers and just grab a hold of it. Try to. Like so. Okay, so it is free. It's not like it's seized in there, it's just that bolt stripped. So, I mean, we got a couple options here. One option, I'm pretty sure I can fit something in here and cut the head of that bolt off. Hopefully can get that loose. Probably can come up this back side also. That'll take it out. So unfortunately this nut up top, which, there it is. That nut up top, it's not gonna help me out too much because there's still a bolt that goes right here. So taking off that part isn't gonna help me very much. So I guess I'm just gonna have to, like I said, I'll have to cut that off. Done. All right, let's fall. There. It's not ideal. I'd like to save this bracket, but sometimes that happens. Now you got a big fat end, and you got the skinny end. Obviously skinny end goes up top, and this end you just gotta feed this bottom part through. It's really simple. And now we got it matched up to the old one as best as possible as far as size. So with the other supplied bolt, Make sure the hole's up front. Put this up here like that. And this should be a 17 millimeter also. Yeah, we're just gonna get started. We don't want to do anything yet. And now here's this. So you're gonna need to pull down on the lower control arm, or the sway bar. Feed that through. Here's your pin. Now with the last remaining nut, that goes here. So you take this on, rotate it around so it locks in. And it's a 19. I moved it so the pin's facing up. So then you lock it down. It don't go anywhere. You got these all set. Take a 24 millimeter. Really tighten them up. I do the bottom one first so that whenever I do the top one, it straightens them all out. So we can add our grease fitting to the bottom. Oh, and now to the top. Grease fittings are very finely threaded, so you gotta be very careful. Yeah, see, I gotta take my glove off. Just kind of want, you gotta feel the thread. There we go. Remove those red caps. And then with the 9 millimeter, just gotta tighten these. Okay, yeah, you don't got to go crazy with them because it's just holding in grease. Let's get a good grip. All right, perfect. Okay, there's enough right there. And to really tell, so like this thing's kind of turned. So what I'm looking for is this side over here. I want to make sure that it kind of like bubbles out, and that's what I'm looking for. And see if I got enough grease in there or not. There we go, all done. And now I just gotta clean off all the metal shavings. And what's nice about this setup is you can always loosen these and take off the bottom bolt and make it smaller, tighten up and stiffen up your front end. I just put them back how they were already on the car. I'll leave it up to them to figure out if they want it stiffer or not. So that's it. Item is in the description. It's not the cheapest. I mean, these are expensive, but they're not as expensive as what was currently on there. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.